What is up, guys? Thank you so much for tuning in. My name is John, and today I have for you a big box good. If you've been watching some of my last videos, you know that I've been on a bit of a headphone binge, a bit of an audio equipment binge. I've been doing a lot of audio equipment, mostly headphones recently, and today I have for you the EverestElite 150 NC. The NC stands for noise cancellation. These are in direct comparison, in direct competition to the Jabra Elite, the Jabra Elite 65E that I reviewed about 3 weeks ago or 4 weeks ago now. These were $199.99. You can walk right into Best Buy and pick them up off the shelf. You don't even have to ask a representative for help or anything. These are a really cool pair of headphones, really cool pair of earbuds that connect via Bluetooth and that have adaptive noise cancellation, as well as some other really cool features. So let's go ahead and do a bit of an unboxing into first impressions today. As you can see by the box, it's got this gray and orange color scheme. If you remember, the Jabra Elite had a gray and yellow color scheme. So like I said, they are in direct comparison. If we go ahead and flip the box around here, we get to see on the back a really cool embroidered piece of artwork of the headphones here, and as you can see, they've got these really cool tips that look like they screw into your ears, much like the Bose SoundSport wireless free earbuds I also reviewed a couple of weeks ago. So I'm really excited about that. Hopefully they screw into your ear like the Bose did. If they did, these just might beat out the Jabra Elite 65Es, but we'll have to see about that. So these have dual echo canceling microphones, comfort ear tips. They can be folded up and carried for convenience. Legendary JBL Pro audio sound and adaptive noise cancellation. We already knew that. With active noise cancellation on, you're looking at 14 hours of battery life, and with active noise cancellation off, you're looking at 16 hours of battery life. Of course, that is what it says on the box here. Always remember, folks, actual usage may vary, and that is not mentioning charge times. So on the front, of course, the headphones are embroidered, which is really cool. But let's go ahead and get into the unboxing. So it looks like we're going to need our handy dandy knife here to cut through some of the stickers here. So that's the first one. That's the second one. So JBL and Harman are two very popular audio equipment companies. If you guys know Harman Kardon, they do a lot of interior car speakers and audio equipment for like Mercedes-Benz and things like that. I'm not sure about BMW, but I'm pretty sure they do audio equipment for Mercedes-Benz. So on the bottom of the box, made for iPhone, iPad, and iPod. Luckily, we've got our handy dandy iPad there. These might be an older pair of headphones. I'm not sure that anyone still uses iPod, but nonetheless, if you do, this will work. So they just slide right out. So far, the unboxing experience is not quite as elegant as the Jabra Elite 65Es, but you open it up, the case, and you get this really nice carrying case here. I did not expect that. And of course, you get an EverestElite 150 NC user guide, which we're not going to take a look at because it should be as simple as unboxing these bad boys and plugging them into Bluetooth. So here they are. You get this really nice carrying case here, JBL embroidered or embossed on the front. You get this little handle here that has a button, and it actually, does it unclip or does it unbutton? Yes, it does. It unbuttons there, so that's really nice. If you just want to hold it like this, if you want to clamp it onto a backpack or a briefcase or a suitcase or anything like that. Okay, let's go ahead and get into the JBL headphones. But first, before we do that, let's bring out the handy dandy iPad here so that we can connect them via Bluetooth right away. If Touch ID wants to work for me here, my hands are a little bit in an awkward position. Alrighty, so we'll go right into music there. We'll go right into settings there. Got some emails coming up. Let's go ahead and unbox these bad boys. So, voila, here they are in their carrying case. And a little Velcro strip to keep the cords into place. I'm not sure that you will use this carrying case, so I'm going to put it off to the side here because these look like they could just kind of hang out by themselves. So on the headphones here, we've got the power on and off switch, we've got a Bluetooth connection switch, and a little button that has an S on it. I'm not sure if that stands for Siri or not. We will have to find out. On the left hand side, we have a play button and a volume up and down button. So let's go ahead and turn these bad boys on. And as you can see, a light gray LED indicator lights up there on the side, which is really nice. So we'll go ahead into Bluetooth on our iPad here. And we'll wait for the EverestElite 150 NC to come up, and they have already, so we'll go ahead and click on them, and we'll go ahead and throw these around our ear, our neck, like so. So I've got the right hand side here, and I've got the left hand side here, and if they're anything like the Bose, they should just screw right in, and they do. So far I am really digging these. So it wants us to install an app, but we're going to ignore that for now, just so that we can test out the audio quality of these earbuds. Right now, my voice sounds a little bit distorted. I'm not sure why, but it may have to do with the active noise cancellation. Okay, so let's go ahead and listen to some royalty-free music here. So far, these are extremely comfortable. I love the way that the neckband fits around your neck. These are water resistant, I believe. It does not mention anything on the box about them being water resistant, unfortunately. So we're going to have to go ahead and say that these are not water resistant. But so far, I really am liking the way that these fit in the ear. Let's go ahead and do a sound test. Okay, so immediately the active noise cancellation works. It works well. The bass, the treble, the midtone, it has a very nice bass to it. The midtones are very nice. The treble is very nice. It's not going to be as clear or as loud as, say, the Bose Quiet Comfort 35.2s or the Sony WH-1000 XM3s, but you are getting better audio quality than, say, the Apple AirPods. When compared to the Bose SoundSport wireless free earbuds I reviewed about 3 weeks ago, again, I had an issue testing those out when I had them in the studio here, so I could not give you guys an accurate representation of them. So unfortunately, I cannot compare these to them, but comparing them to the Jabra Elite 65Es, I would say that the Jabra Elite 65Es sound a little bit better. The Jabra Elite 65Es do sound better, and that's because so far this active noise cancellation technology is a little bit odd. It makes my voice sound weird. Anyway, if you try them out for yourself, let me know if you're getting this weird kind of muffled noise cancellation thing going on. Anyway, where these are superior than the Jabra Elite 65E is how you plug them, is how you screw them into your ear. These are more akin to the Bose SoundSport Wireless Free, which I absolutely adored for the way that they fit in your ear. So anyways, these are the these are the JBL Harman EverestElite 150 NC. I'll go ahead and remove the iPad there. They are a really nice pair of active noise cancellation earbuds, Bluetooth earbuds that screw into your ear. Really great build quality so far. Great fit and finish. They fit in your ear phenomenally. My name is John. The JBL EverestElite 150 NC are a big box good. You can pick them up at your local Best Buy for $199.99. Just walk right into the store, grab them off the shelf, take them to the cashier, and you've got yourself a nice pair of earbuds. Great for working out, obviously. Great for staying fit and exercising. My name is John, and I will see you guys in the next video.